Hey guys, what's happening? How to add extra baggage in Air Arabia after booking. So log into your account, right? Log in with your account, and then you're gonna see manage right here. If you touch it, or if you just go to it or go towards it, you're gonna see manage, and you're gonna see right here and add extras under it, add baggage. So let's press it, and you're gonna add the baggage, right? You can they offer the opportunity to only pay for the baggage you need. Okay, so add the reservation number, right? The contact person last name and the departure date. Okay, and then hit continue. Right, I haven't made any registration using Air Arabia yet, but you can continue with the screen, and you're gonna be able to add your baggage. You can pre-book checked baggage allowance instantly online through below form or by contacting their call center. Okay, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Hey guys, what's happening?